Hola mis amores, ¿cómo estás hoy? How are you today? Your girl is back with another video, but this one gonna be kind of a rush, and I'm not gonna be talking cause I'm gonna be filming something else today because it's your girl's mama's birthday today, and she let me do her makeup. It is March the 28th when I'm filming this, but you guys won't see this until a couple of days later. And ain't no telling when y'all are gonna see the video of when I do her makeup, because yes, she said I can film it, so your girl gonna film it. So before they get back, I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup real quick, because I don't want to go out looking like a schmeagle, sitting at dinner and stuff. So after I get done saying this intro, your girl not gonna be talking, but yeah, so let's go ahead and get into it, because I gotta do this real fast before she get back. So yeah, all right, let's get into it. We finna zoom in. So you guys, I didn't know when my camera turned off, so if I wasn't able to show y'all everything in this tutorial, my bad. I'll try to put it in the steps of wherever it cut off. But as you see, your girl is done. Just did a little simple, did a little red and black smoky eye with some gold up in there. You know what I'm saying? With little goldies. But yeah, hope you guys like the tutorial. But yeah, hope you guys like the tutorial. Your girl is now gonna prepare to do her mama's makeup, so stay tuned for that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this silent tutorial, except for the intro and the outro. Yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Adios, mis amores. Goodbye, my lovelies. I will see you in the next one. Woo!